Hello everyone, hello. Today we are going to be reviewing McDonald's Big Mac. You know, it's been known, I've never had one before. It's supposed to be pretty good though. It's a hit. It's a big hit with the kids these days. There, if you're wondering what it looks like, that's the Big Mac. You know, so here, let's get a bite of that. There we go. All right, there's the Big Mac, and so here we go. Let's just try our first bite of a Big Mac. You know, all the kids are eating it today, all of them. Pretty tasty stuff, apparently. So let's try it. Sorry. Alright. It's fine. It's a bit dry. A bit dry. So, I think I'm gonna put some of my favorite. Oh no, can you see that? My very favorite dipping sauce on my burger. Here we go. Alright. It's only a bit dry. So just a bit. Alright. It's pretty tasty now, but it's a bit dry, just a bit dry. Let's put some more of this ketchup on, huh? Alright, there we go. That looks like it should be at least close enough. Let's try another bite. No, it's alright. Bit dry. I should have a bit more sauce. You know, that's the only problem with the Big Macs. It's a bit dry. So I'm adding more of my favorite, you know, the ketchup. It's so tasty on here. It's delicious. It's so delicious on the Big Macs. I mean, I just love eating it. Here, get a look at that. That's gonna be pretty tasty on there. I mean, hopefully it won't be dry this time. I hope it won't be. Oh, a little bit of ketchup's falling off now. That kinda sucks. You know what else is so good about this ketchup? 100% natural tomato ketchup. Thicker and richer. Hunts. No high fructose corn syrup. It's pretty darn tasty. Let's get another look at that. Oh, look at all that tasty ketchup. I could add some more. Might as well. There we go. Look at that tasty goodness. Here we go. Sorry about that. I dropped my phone real quick. Alright. Let's get a bite of that. You know, it's pretty tasty, but it's still a bit dry. It's still a bit dry here. It's pretty darn tasty. I love it, but a bit dry. Sorry, McDonald's. I give it a 7 out of 10. Even after all the tomato. Still just a bit dry.